Welcome to the second part of this worksheet, where we evaluate expressions without using calculator. Without calculator means that we will probably have to use the three identities that we have learned. Now let's take a look at question A. 103 square minus 9. I see that there is a square term, 103 whole thing square, minus 9, which is actually another square term, 3 square. So if we look at our three identities that we have learned, it actually looks like the difference of two squares, also known as identity 3, where my A is 103 and my B is 3. So let's write down what is the factorized form for this expression. A square minus B square equals to A plus B times A minus B. And I did this step without using calculator. 103 plus 3 equals to 106 times 103 minus 3 gives me 100. Answer is 10600 or 10,600. The great thing about this question is that after I show my method mark or working step, which is the identity, I can then use my calculator to check my answers. And indeed, the answer from the calculator is 10,600. Let's look at part B. Do I still see a difference of two squares? First term is 201 square, and the second term, 121, is actually a square number, 11 square. So let's use our identity. A square minus B square equals to A plus B times A minus B. After I showed this working step, it's now easier to calculate. Answer is 44400. And I can verify this using a calculator. Now I come to the last part, which is part C, and I see that 49 is a square number, 7 square. So 7 will be my A, and my B will be 107. Let's now write the identity. Using identity number 3 again, we got A plus B times A minus B. After we show the working step, we will evaluate each term individually before writing down the final answer, negative 11400. And checking with our calculator, we got the answer. Now you can practice your factorization and algebraic identities using these practice questions. Answers will be uploaded onto Google Classroom. You may also do more additional practice on this chapter using these QR codes, and don't forget to watch my 2 other videos on this chapter. Well done for completing chapter 4.